Welcome to another ride along with Ace Navigation Team San Francisco as we respond to Point Sur light. The original light has been converted into a new LED with solar panel and 100 amp hour battery. Point Sur light is approximately 135 miles south of San Francisco on top of a 361 foot tall rock. It was established in 1889. We pick up the crew as they drive up to the lighthouse. So today we're coming out to install the light. It blew down in the last major windstorm, so we have to re-drill some holes through the concrete. We're going to install the stand that holds the light. It also has the solar panel, and then we'll hook up the two batteries underneath. As you can clearly hear and see, it's super windy on this point. Windy enough to blow off Petty Officer Smiley's glasses. There they go. First off, we got to drill out some holes where we're going to remount this stand. Holes have been drilled. Time to align the stand with the new holes and secure it to the deck. Alright, everything's secure. All you gotta do now is slide the batteries underneath the solar panel, connect everything up, make sure it's watching properly, and that's that. Connections are secure, batteries are in place, everything looks good. At the end of this, I got some pictures of the Lighthouse Museum that is run by some local volunteers. If you got some time and you're in the area, check them out for sure. Give them a call, see what times they're available for a tour. Thanks for tagging along. This has been another trip with A's Navigation Team, San Francisco. Enjoy the rest of your day.